Okay, I just want to show you guys it is important that you understand you can get to be doing this every day, but you need to understand it requires some level of discipline from you so that you don't make mistakes. Can there be mistake? Yes, there can. Like today, I think I made a mistake. It has no poetry, it's dancing. Just go ahead. Okay, maybe I'll have to pause. I don't like, okay. It was dancing. Now, this is $10. Imagine you doing this every day. It is important you understand anybody can do it. When I said I made a mistake, I think I should show you the mistake. I didn't know I was on this trade. I didn't know I was on 10x, 100, 1x. So I was wondering, this trade has not put through until I saw that it was on 100, 1x. So for today, I have made $15. Yeah, $15. Slow, steady. Hey, don't be in a hurry. Rome was not built in a day. Let me see if I can make one more trade and then I'll call it a day. Okay, I've entered my last trade. It's going to take a while, so I'll be right back. Okay, I want to explain something to you about this trade. I entered in a hurry. It wasn't the right time for me to enter because I'm recording. Most times I discovered every time I'm trying to record, do one more trade, I always rush. You don't rush. See, waste of time. All these things are all waste of time. You don't rush. When I should have entered would have been a timely trade, and I'm going to show you. Okay, I just placed another trade just to show you that if I had waited for the right signal, my trade would have been something like this, very small. But because I was rushing, I had to do a long trade. This is part of the things you receive in your training. You get to learn to be patient, wait for the right signal. Don't be in a hurry. I was in a hurry. You can see, let me show you the trade so that you get to understand. I was in a hurry. There is no need to be in a hurry. You can see how many trade, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think one more and I'm done for the day. Okay. I want to explain something to you guys so that you get to understand. I was not supposed to do any more trade because signal was no longer available. But because of the recording, I wanted to do one more trade. And this trade was very funny. Very, very funny. I don't like looking at all these things, but this trade at the last minute, that was when it started coming down. Now, this is to let you know that don't rush things. Don't rush it. When you rush it, you are going to, if I had waited for, okay, just hold on. Okay, I was not able to show you what I intended to do, and I guess I'm not supposed to continue trading because the market has reversed. But I just did this trade just to complete, to get the one that I lost. So I tried to do that trade so that I can show you guys, but before I could even go back to it, I've already missed my entry. So altogether, so let's just evaluate and see what we have done. So I made, okay, this is how I started my day anyway. I started from here, right? So this was a loss, $5. That's what I tried to get back. So how many trade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades. That is 56 minus 5. So that's like $50. So in total, I've just made $50 this morning. Good morning, my neighbor. All right, guys. So $50 is like 20,000 naira. So imagine if you too can be doing that. And moreover, my battery is low. If you imagine if you two can be doing this, anybody can do this. Hey, if you're wondering how does he do it, I normally get signal. You can see that chart. I'll have to first ensure I get my signal. What I teach you is how to generate the signal yourself. You look at the chart and you'll be able to also read and understand when to enter and have good results like this. Anybody can do this. God bless you. See you in another time.